the Honorable Senate President, the Honorable Chairman of the Senate Blue Ribbon Committee, the members of the committee, my fellow public servants, good morning. We from the BIR appear before you today with openness and humility to respond to and to clarify the issues that brought us here, and to listen, learn, and work with the Senate to strengthen our tax system for the Filipino people. Recent public concerns about the issuance of the audit authority, redundancies, and inconsistent enforcement resulting in growing taxpayer frustration deserve careful and transparent examination. We welcome this scrutiny that requires us to look at the system as a whole. We must recognize that the problems before us are twofold. First, there are issues in enforcement, how BIR's audit authority is exercised on the ground. We acknowledge the need to reduce discretion, strengthen accountability, and ensure consistent implementation across all offices. Enforcement must be firm, predictable, transparent, and anchored in fairness. Second, we must address the clarity of our rules and the strength of our monitoring and oversight. Faithful compliance with audit procedures requires rules that are clear, justified, and free from ambiguity. We must eliminate arbitrariness, remove repetitive or overlapping issuances, and establish near-time monitoring of ongoing audits. These improvements, many of which can be enabled with the help of an integrated digital system, will reinforce the checks and balances between enforcement and oversight. Rebuilding trust requires reform on both fronts, correcting how enforcement is carried out and ensuring that rules and oversight mechanisms are clear, consistent, and transparent. When the system itself demonstrates integrity, voluntary compliance follows, not because of fear of punitive action, but because taxpayers can rely on a process that is fair and predictable. 2 weeks ago, we temporarily suspended the issuance of letters of authority to give us the space to reevaluate and revamp the audit process. We view today's hearing as an accelerator of that work. We recognize that the reforms ahead must be pursued in partnership with the private sector and our stakeholders, the DOF, and critically with Congress, because legislation and internal governance must advance together for reforms to take root. Our goal is simple: a tax system that is fair, transparent, credible, and effective for national growth, implemented with service excellence, rooted in integrity and professionalism. Mr. Chair, honorable members of the committee, we sincerely and respectfully stand ready to work with you towards reforms that will strengthen our tax system and better serve the Filipino people. Thank you, Mr. Chair.